interrupted with the OBS NDI Plugin DLL blocking OBS Project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To begin the walkthrough for OBS NDI Plugin, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the OBS NDI Plugin, the runtime library for the NewTek NDI integration used by OBS Studio and other broadcast tools, enabling high-quality, low-latency video transport over local networks. It handles encoding, decoding, and network stream negotiation. If missing, NDI input sources may disappear from OBS or fail during initialization of network-based video streams. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The OBS NDI Plugin DLL library is a specialized component of the OBS Project system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the OBS NDI plugin file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for OBS NDI Plugin DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes OBS NDI Plugin Library Guidance. If this diagnostic helped you resolve OBS NDI plugin error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.